You can choose to send part of your order to the kitchen while holding other items of your order by choosing the Hold and Send option on the bottom menu. You will then touch on the items that you would like to hold, and then choose the time frame in which you would like to hold them. For this instance, we will hold the Classic Caesar and the Cheddar Burger for 20 minutes. You will then choose Send. You will then see the Hold option pop up on those particular items and show the time in which they will be sent. By hitting the X, you will be brought back to your main screen. You can then choose Send and send the items that were not being held to the kitchen. By going back to this table, we can see that the fried green tomatoes have been sent to the kitchen and are now shaded in gray. The Classic Caesar and the Cheddar Burger are showing in green and are being held until 3:24 p.m. when they will be sent automatically to the kitchen with no further action.